Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name blue color, green color, black color, red color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now you coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color, the alphabets of A. Kids, now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color, the alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use black color, Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use red color, the alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use yellow color, Kids, now draw numbers, and first you draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color, O-N-E, 1, the numbers of 1. Kids, now draw 2, the numbers of 2, and use green color, TWO2. Kids, now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, THRW3. Kids, now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use red color, FOUR4, the numbers of 4. Kids, now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color, FIVE5. Kids, now draw shapes, and first you draw a square, the shape of a square, and use blue color, Kids, now draw circle, the shape of circle, and use green color, the shape of circle. Kids, now draw triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color, Kids, now draw heart, the shape of heart, and use red color, the shape of heart. Kids, lastly, draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color, the shape of Easter. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shapes, square, circle, triangle, heart, and Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.